What's going on, gardeners? It's Abundant Gardening with another quick garden tip. Today, I'm going to share with you what to look for as you're checking in on your overwintering geraniums. So, you can see I have this cardboard box, and I have two geraniums. First of all is this normal geranium, which you can find at Lowe's or Home Depot. And this is what that geranium looks like. As you can see, I put this in a box well over a month ago, by the time this video gets out. What you will want to look for is healthy stems. As you can see, there are no shriveled black stems. There are no moldy stems. They're all still green and healthy. Do not be alarmed by the foliage. That will most likely all die back. As you can see, most of it already has. But you know, some of it still is alive. It's just, with the colder temperatures and everything, it's forcing it to go into a dormant state. Next, you want to inspect the roots. You can see, as long as there's no moldy ones, black ones, mushy ones, no funguses or anything, that's what you really want to look for when you're inspecting your geraniums. And overall, I will put this back into the box and check up back with it in another month. If it does start looking very dried out, I will soak it in some water for about an hour, which I might do next month. So you can subscribe to see that video, as I will do another checkup on this geranium. And then we can move on to the second geranium here. Now, this second geranium is a little bit different. This is called a regal geranium. This is what the regal geranium looked like. Or a Martha Washington geranium. You can see it's a little worse for wear. It's dried out most of its foliage. But, again, the stems, inspect the stems. They're a little woodier because this is a different type of geranium. As you can see, they're a little bit woodier, but they are still green. There are no shriveled up sections, and if so, if either on one of those, any geraniums that you have, if I had that, I would definitely cut them off. But you can see the foliage is starting to dry out, but all the stems. And then I will inspect the roots. The roots all definitely look healthy. There are no black or mushy ones. So this one will go back into storage for another month until I check back on them. As you can see, I have one geranium down there in the bottom of the box. And then what I'll do is take a piece of cardboard to separate, put that there so that the geranium doesn't get squished. And then I'll take the second geranium and gently place it on top. And then I'll close the lid of this. So I hope you got something out of this video and liked it. If you want to see future updates on these geraniums, and also other plants that I have overwintering, I hope you subscribe so you can see those videos as well. So, I'll see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.